Hello everyone, welcome to the new episode of The Sprout. My name is Ginny. In this video, I would like to talk about the benefits of exercise in mental health. This is my first English video, so I hope you all will support me. We all know that exercise has got a very profound impact in our health and well-being. So let us see some of the benefits which exercise provide to us. The first one I would like to talk about is depression, reduction of depression. According to the World Health Organization, in 2020, there are 264 million people suffer from depression. A recent study published showed that the people who runs for 15 minutes or the people who walks for an hour actually reduces the depression rates up to 26%. Also, this study found that doing exercise has got a very good reduction in the reoccurrences of depressive episodes. And the second thing is reduction of anxiety and stress. Because when we do exercise, our body produces endorphins, which are the happy hormones, which help us to relieve the anxiety disorder symptoms. And also the endorphins produced in our body when we do exercise work as a natural pain reliever, so it reduces the pain. And the third thing is I would like to talk about is reduction in the people who has ADHD symptoms like attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, those people who cannot concentrate on one task. Those people, because when they do exercise, they have the neurotransmitters, the chemicals produced in the brain called dopamine, norepinephrine, and all these neurotransmitters actually help them to concentrate on things. So it's actually help them to concentrate on new tasks, and also it helps them to learn things. And also the fourth thing is the people with post-traumatic stress disorder, people like who have witnessed very bad incidents, like the people like soldiers, the people have seen very accidents, and those people always get some of them actually get flashback of the all these memories because their hippocampus is not functioning properly. On those type of people, when they concentrate on doing exercise, the studies found that they have a very positive impact of reduction of those stress memories coming back to the flashbacks coming back to their brain. And the next benefit is improving the memory. So how the exercise improves the memory. When we think about it, our brain has got a prefrontal cortex and two temporal lobes. The prefrontal cortex determines our decision-making skills and our personality and all the rest. Whereas the temporal lobe, there's a hippocampus. This is called as our memory center, and also it's been proved that this hippocampus helps our imagination skills. So when we do exercise, there's a lot of new neurons development happens, like it's called neurogenesis, the growth of the new neurons, and it also reduces the inflammation in the brain. And also then because of the new neurons, our body actually have it actually changes the anatomy, physiology, and the functions of the brain. Therefore, people get increased brain function. There is a study conducted in rodents. There was a group of rodents was given a lot of toys to play around, and there was a group of toys and rodents was left with just food. And this study conducted in USA, I think the study showed that the rodents who has lot of toys to play around and the rodents who have done a lot of activities, their hippocampus was developed more than the toys and more than the rodents who had no exercise at all. This study has been discussed in many interviews, and they says that actually doing exercise increases our brain cells and therefore it improves the brain function. Also, there is a substance, a protein called brain-derived neurotropic factor, which is considered as one of the brain fertilizer. It's actually when we do exercise, the BDNF actually improves, and that actually improves a lot of function in our brain. So the next benefit of doing exercise is it actually helps us to sleep better, because when we sleep, our stress hormones such as cortisol and adrenaline production will be reduced, and we can have a good sound sleep. When we get a good sleep itself, we can actually prevent a lot of other metabolic diseases, metabolic syndrome diseases. So it helps the sleep, therefore it overall general body function, overall health will be improved. And the next benefit, there's, according to the research, exercise actually reduces the aggression and violence in prisoners. So it's applicable to everyone. It reduces the aggressive behavior in human beings. And the next benefit is it makes the people so happy because of the endorphins, dopamine, and all these happy hormones. People are more happy, and it increases their resilience. The people who do regular exercise are more resilient, and when they are challenged with emotional and mental issues, they actually can cope better than the people who don't do exercise. And the last one I would like to talk about is immunity, increase of immunity. The people who does exercises, when they do exercise, they will have a good blood circulation to their whole body, especially brain, heart, and all parts of the body. Therefore, the stress hormones will be reduced. That reduces their inflammation in the body, and also it strengthens the antibodies in their system. Therefore, they have less chances of getting infections. Because of that, the people will be more healthier. So these are some of the benefits that mental health well-being, so a mental health issue, benefits of the exercises. So the people who are actually doing the exercise, that shows that we have to continue doing the exercise, and the people don't do the exercise, it is a good chances that we can actually start initiating to do some exercise. We can start from simple steps, 5 minutes a day, then we can increase up to 10 minutes. According to the WHO, World Health Organization, they recommend 30 minutes of exercise for 5 days a week. That's what they recommend. So whatever we can do, we can try to do. We can increase the time or reduce the time depending on our health conditions. So I would like to encourage all my friends to start exercise, and we all will have a healthy living. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, please comment, like, and support. Next time we will see with another new topic. Till then, bye.